Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. So, general and the current person reading ngayong mid-October. So, yes. Again. So, before tayo po mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay? So again, ito yung ating cord cut. So yung pangtanggal po ng mga blockages in general. Pangtanggal blockages, MALAS, alat. Oo, iba't iba tayo ng tawag dyan no? So, yan po, ha? So, ano pa? Yung ating 2-in-1, money and love bracelet. Oo, love and money bracelet. So, pwede pang lalaki. Actually, lagay mo lang siya sa red pouch. Okay, no problem. Oo, so meron siyang citrine. So, yung citrine po is money magnet po yun. So, may tulong siya, okay, para mas mapaganda ang pasok ng pera mo. And syempre, yung ating yung ating granter necklace. So si granter necklace, siya yung nag-grant ng mga minamanifest ninyo. Oo, 'di ba? Masama mag-manifest ng hindi maganda rin sa iba, ha. Oo, wag kayong gagawa ng manifestations na masama pagdating sa iba gamit ang granter, please. Okay? And syempre, yes, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Meron tayong mga ganyan. So, ito yung ating ring. So, this is adjustable. Okay? Meron din tayong necklace and bracelet. Okay? And, diba? And, ang dami pa. So, last is yung ating cleansing recharging kit. Para sa inyong mga charms and crystals. Okay? Yes. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano bang meron sa ating charging kit, yung ating cleansing kit. Kung kayo merong mga charms, kung kayo merong mga crystals, ayan po ay nalolobat. Okay? Lalo na kung nakapagbigay nga ng maganda, nakapagbigay ng mga hinihiling nyo. Okay? Kailangan po niyang ma-recharge. Yes, kailangan rin niyang ma-cleanse. Okay? So, iba sa atin, ang alam natin, one way is through full moon. Doon natin ibiblad. So, paano pag walang full moon? Di po ba? Hindi na natin kailangan maghintay ng full moon kung meron tayong white sage and selenite crystal na yun po ang nakapaloob sa ating recharging kit. Okay? So, yes. So, Leo, what's for you? Again, kung meron pong tanong, message na lang po. Okay? So, Leo placements in general. Anong meron sa'yo ngayong mid-October? Mid-October. Leo. Judgment in reverse. Oh, ending of a cycle. Some of you, this could be an ending of a cycle. Ending of a routine. Okay, pwedeng may mga babaguhin ka sa routine mo this mid-October. Yan, the 6 of Cups. Kasi pwedeng makakasagabal lang ito no? Pagdating sa iyong improvement. Oo. So, what else? Ang ganda nitong unang reading mo. May mga babaguhin para hindi ka sabihin nating matrap or ma-stuck sa pangit na energy, sa low vibrational energy. Okay? So, what else for Leo? 7 of Coins in reverse. And, the Magician in reverse. Be careful investing. Okay? Your trust. Not your money. Okay? Not your money. Your trust. Yung pera may babalik, pero yung tiwala mahirap. Okay? In general po, pwede kayong magtiwala this mid-October, magbigay ng tiwala this mid-October, pero nandun yung pangloloko dito. Be careful, be aware, be vigilant. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. pwedeng humantong sa sabihin nating pagdistansya in general. Okay, so what else for Leo placements this mid-October? Eight of Cups Universe. Oh, ano yan? There could be delays, pendings, pero there could be somebody who is still stuck, still choosing to hold on, still choosing to stay. Yeah, and they're waiting. Water and fire. Wanting this. Wanting the relationship maybe again for another time, another chance. Okay, meron naghihintay rito. Yeah. Pero hindi ko nakikita this mid-October na mangyayari. So, kung sino man to at kung ikaw yan, maghihintay ka pa rin. Okay? Na pwedeng mag-cause sa'yo ng delays in general. Yes. May babalik mula sa malayo. May uuwi galing sa malayo. This mid-October. Two of Coins, Universe. Yeah, may uuwi. Okay? So, again po be careful. Hindi ina-advise na talagang totally magtiwala ka kung kanino man, kung sino man to. Okay? So, sinasabihan kayo na baguhin nyo na in general, no, yung inyong mga routine, yung inyong mga nakasanayan sa araw-araw, mga ginagawa nyo everyday, wala nang nagbago, baguhin nyo. Okay, baguhin nyo na this mid-October. Simulan nyo na. So, let's see the current person on your mind. Anong meron? Tingnan natin anong kailangan mong anong kailangan mong malaman. Okay? So, let's see. Leo. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Kung may tanong po again sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, just message me. Okay? So, who is this, Leo? The Sun in reverse. So, may galit ka dito. Pwedeng hindi kayo magkausap ngayon, hindi kayo nagkikita. You're drained. You are drained. The Moon. What? The Sun, the Moon, both in reverse. Are you okay? May galit ka, pero at the same time, you're longing for them. You're craving for this person's attention maybe. You're longing for them in general. You're sad. Iniiyakan mo pa rin tong taong to hanggang ngayon. Could be Taurus, Virgo, Libra. Pwedeng maraming balikan na nangyari sa inyo. Hindi pa rin totally detached sa isa't isa. The Sun and the Moon both in reversed. Hindi mo pinapakita ang totoo mong emosyon ngayon. Ganon rin siya. You're mirroring each other. You are mirroring each other. I'm hearing letter L, letter P. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayon? The King of Wands in reverse. Nandun yung galit, I think, ng taong to. Kung meron tong hinihintay sa'yo, Leo, sabihin nating nabubwisit siya. I don't know, kasi lalo na kung wala kang ginagawa. Kung may na-expect tong taong to, at hindi niya nakikita yon, galit to. Andun yung energy na parang nababaliwala siya. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Okay, yeah, the Three of Swords and Strength. Yeah. Feeling niya, ito iba sa kanila, pwedeng they're just like sitting and waiting pero hindi pinapakita yung totoong emosyon for you. Okay? Pero still, the person is focused pa rin dyan sa situation ninyo. Yun ang kailangan mong malaman. Kung wala ka ng idea about the person, gusto kong malaman mo na focused pa rin nito is yung sitwasyon na meron kayo ngayon. Kahit ano pang ginagawa nito, kung meron kang alam, ang focus pa rin nito, nasa utak pa rin nito is yung connection ninyo or kung anong meron sa inyo ngayon. Okay. So, Sagittarius and Gemini. So, who else, Leo? Who else? Who else? Who else? Angel number 111. Okay, may angel number ka 111. So, who else? The Hermit. Virgo. No talking. They're silent. They're isolating themselves from you, maybe. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Meron ng mga inatupag to ngayon. Pwedeng hindi kayo magkakausap ngayon. Pwedeng may iba nang inatupag tong taong to. Feeling nila may tawag dyan, may nasayang sa connection ninyo. May mga bago nang ginagawa tong taong to ngayon. Pero andun yung malaking panghihinayang niya. Okay? Diba sa kanila, ang feeling ko dito, choosing to stay, okay, waiting, pero may mga ibang ginagawa. And that's good. Okay lang naman yun. Okay? Pero, hindi niya hinahayaan yung sarili niya na parang, tawag dito, nakastuck. Okay? Sabihin natin, they're waiting, pero they're, mas pinipili nila na may gawing iba. Parang ganon. I don't know kung paano malalaman yon, pero ganun yung ginagawa niya. So, isang nakikita ko rito para malaman mo na siya to. Pwedeng hindi siya nakikipag-usap sa'yo, lumayo sa'yo tong taong to, at may mga sinabi na gusto niyang mangyari. Okay? After. Nung meron siyang, I don't know if this is last message. Parang, okay, this is it, pansit, whatsoever. May mga gusto na akong gawin, mga ganyan-ganyan bagay-bagay. Okay? I'm letting you go. Mga ganun. So, let's see. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Leo. Yeah. Focusing. They have work. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng may trabaho sa ngayon. This is work related. Oo, pwedeng may something about their work. So, pwedeng, may mga pinagkakaabalahan siya ngayon, Leo. Okay? Yeah, and the Five of Coins in reversed. Ten of Cups in reversed. Malungkot siya, actually, pero it's like being practical. You're being practical. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Sabi ko sa inyo hindi niya hayaan yung sarili niya na parang malugmok sa kung anong meron sa inyo. Yes, this is sad. Yes, parang nagbibigay nga sa kanya ng hindi magandang energy, pain, hatred, mga ganyang bagay, pero hindi niya hayaan yung sarili niya doon. Okay? Andun yung energy na sabihin natin, dinidistract niya yung sarili niya sa ibang mga bagay-bagay para hindi siya ma-stuck sa energy niyo. Yeah, could be work. Pwedeng sa work. Binibigyan niya ng dahilan yung sarili niya at rason para hindi siya ma-stuck sa connection na to. Yeah. So what else? Leos. Who else? Who else? Leo placements. Who is this, Leo? The Ace of Swords. Okay, so merong communication. Could be Pwede nga kayo ay magkausap ngayon. The Ace of Swords. Oh, the Eight of Cups. Pwedeng kayo ay through online lang magkausap. Okay, through online. Online. Some of you, pwedeng bagong person to. Pwedeng kakilala mo pa lang sa kanya. Pwedeng malayo, may distansya. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng kasal kayo ng taong to. Pero malayo lang kayo sa isa't isa. I'm hearing somebody's working abroad. Okay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman, Leo? The Star in Reverse. Why? What's that? Star in Reverse. Sumilip kanina yung Three of Pentacles in Reverse, meaning may mga hindi pagkakaintindihan sa ngayon. Okay? That could be. Yeah, the Star in Reverse. What's that? The Three of Wands in Reverse. Okay. So, diba? Pwedeng may mga issue patungkol sa pera dito. May mga issue. Could be issue sa pera or commitments. Oh, I don't like this. Somebody's cheating. Somebody's cheating. Somebody's entertaining other energies. That is why. Okay. Iba sa inyo, kung itong taong to is malayo nga, no? And nakikitaan nyo ng parang hindi kayo magkaintindihan lalo. Okay, imbis na dapat ay consistent kayo sa isa't isa kasi nga may distansya dito. Communication is the key, di ba? Pero ang nangyayari, andun yung inconsistent energy. Somebody is hindi laging present. Yes, hindi naman sinabing 24/7. Pero this is sabihin nating merong nawawala na yung spark. Okay, hindi dapat dumadating sa nawawala yung spark kasi parang may nananamlay na. May nananamlay dito. Okay? Meron kasi dito gumagawa ng paraan para maibsan ang kalungkutan. Kasi nga, malayo sa isa't isa. May mga pangangailangan. So, nakakagawa ng hindi maganda. I don't know. Pwedeng may mga nane-neglect or may mga may mga napapabayaan sa connection, sa mga responsibilities, parang may mga ganyang energy. Kung meron man po, oh no, that's the sign. That is the sign. Yeah, meron ditong parang umaako na lang ng kung anumang mga responsibilidad. Oh, the Seven of Wands. So, maybe there's this tension, lagi kayo magkaaway, parang ganyan, hindi kayo magkaintindihan. There's something wrong here. Yeah, there's something wrong. Madaling magsinungaling kasi hindi kita. May distansya, malayo sa isa't isa. I'm sorry. Hindi ko sinabing lahat ganon, pero yung nakuha nating energy is, yes, the situation, ganon ang nakikita ko. Okay, so, that's heavy. So, all signs, Leo, Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries, so they're healing. Iba sa kanila, gusto makipag-ayos. Taurus, there could be endings. Pwedeng meron ditong Taurus na pwedeng nagbabackstab sa'yo. Gemini, okay, so they are unhealed. Cancer, immaturity, they're not ready, I think. Leo, so there's a lot of actions, a lot of communication coming in from a Leo. Virgo, they want commitments. Libra, there's imbalance, okay. Scorpio, I think this Scorpio likes you, wanting to flirt, pero they're not into serious things, serious connections, no. So Sagittarius, they want to settle things. Meron silang mga gustong maayos, pero hindi nila alam kung paano action. Okay? Capricorn, there could be energy of friend zone. Okay? May energy rin ng reconciliation with a Capricorn. So, Aquarius, there could be energy of evil eyeing with an Aqua. Okay? Meron din ditong energy ng a disconnection with an Aqua. Okay? Pisces, I'm hearing third party involved, lalo na po sa work. Okay, somebody is flirting with a boss. Okay. So, I'm sorry that's channeled, pero that's specific. Okay, anyway, so there could be third party involved with the Pisces. Okay, so let's see the tawag dyan. Okay. Charm reading. Okay, our charm reading. So again, it's up to you kung paano may ko-connect yung sarili mo sa ating mga mabubunot dito. Kung naka-resonate ka sa reading, so humingi ka ng senyales. Okay, kung may makita ka dito na pwedeng nakaka-connect sa'yo, yeah, pwedeng sabihin natin para sa'yo talaga yung reading. Pero kung hindi naman, okay lang din naman po, no? So, wala namang problem. Okay, so Leo. 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 Isa pa. Leo placements. Okay. So, let's see. Meron ditong Tree of Life. Changes, endings, opportunities na pwedeng dumadating sa'yo nitong mga nakaraan. Okay, a heart na pwede tuloy na merong ang tawag dyan, American flag. Okay, so pwede ikaw, ang iyong person is nasa Amerika, mga ganyang bagay, no? We have here a yellow flower, a pink one. Okay, a butterfly, another butterfly. I'm hearing metamorphosis. So, a heart, a cat, a yellow cat. Okay. A shell. Shell. So, meron ditong heart again, a star, fish tail or mermaid's tail, a key, susi. So, meron ding gunting. Okay, and meron ditong Aries. Some of you could be dealing with an Aries, or pwedeng meron kang Aries sa iyong birth chart. Yeah, ganun ka-important. Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay, some of you, talagang pinapanood mo this time is the sun sign. Your sun sign, the zodiac sign. Okay, hindi mo alam ano ba ang iyong moon sign or yung iyong rising sign. Alam mo ba? So, pwede yung moon sign mo or rising mo is an Aries. Pwede. Okay? And, yeah, meron ditong Scorpio. Scorpio. And meron ditong letter K. Yeah. So there. Yun pong ating reading for you. Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung ating love letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.